What is up, guys? Today we're going to play another game. This time is 99 Nights. As the previous video,
Oh my god, you're
kind
getting new
oh,
phone.
I said we were gonna do a weekly review of the update. Am I right, Akim? Okay, Akim didn't actually saw that. Anyways, this is called The Forest is Empty. Nights until test. Nights until test. Okay, so we need just open crate. Oh wait, open this crate, bruh. There's a crate here, just nearby. You must start hard mode in access to this crate. Okay, so guys, so we will did the admin abuse, which I don't want to do it. Yeah, I don't want to record that because I know it's pretty hard. But yeah, we're gonna chop some trees. You know what? We're probably gonna do nothing. We're probably gonna make us something to eat, and yeah, just get into this hard mode. We're back, and it's the next day. Well, let's go downstairs. Huh? Pull the lever. Yes, I want. I want to go in. I want to go in. Oh wait, this night until this. Okay. Sorry guys, but I think it's gonna be tonight. So we're gonna just cave the campfire stuff and food, I guess, and then yeah, we can start actually check on those things. Okay, Akim, you open the door, bro. Yo. I'm way deep in the forest. Okay, it's up sky. Well, can I come in by you?
Wait to me.
But you go in here. Oh my, it's hard mode. It's hard mode already. Okay, so it's the. Oh wait, it is hard mode. Look, it's green now, so we can open this. Let's open. Okay, research what? Oh, okay, guys, we got something. We got something in this. What is okay. Ah,
I found more.
don't. Okay. Research monitor. Corruption level 3.7%. Deer hungry not detected. Passive heals normal. Cultist waves normal. Food rot. Food rot spores. Oh boy, this game's about to be interesting, yo.
But I know one
So
thing.
guys,
What is that?
that's gotta be difficult. It's gonna be difficult. I feel like we can't say anything yet. But yeah, I'm gonna go explore. Just select some all the stuff
Yo,
I need.
take one.
Wait, what? What's this? MRE. What's this?
I don't
It's
know.
a. I'm gonna eat it when I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat it when I'm hungry. I'm actually hungry. Now we go explore and get some tools. Okay, so guys, you know we always do our weekly updates type of stuff. It's just I don't know. This game has a lot to fight here. Like finally, we've been surviving for 800 days. at total because it was the Christmas update. The Christmas update was like one of the best ways to survive. Like no jokes. I think I could have survived day 1000. But anyways, I don't have any good sack or anything.
Me. How would I do have a good job?
I mean, we should do our normal stuff at the beginning also.
I got a
I
good
thought it was gonna do it today or so. I thought we are gonna go teleport somewhere else.
job.
Oh,
I got
Hakim,
a good. Yes.
there is something. There's something. I'm not seeing right, but it's something. So I see some corruption stuff, Hakim. Oh wait. Okay, I can just do this. Hakim, come here. Come and eat the MRE. Okay, MRE is not doing anything. Meat ready to eat.
Oh my.
Are you here, Hakim? Hakim, are you here?
The bottom.
Behind the thing, bruh. Something is wrong here. Oh, okay, Hakim, man. Oh, yeah, he's getting here. Okay, this is logs. No more logs, hopefully.
God.
Look at the spot, bruh. Look at that spot. Anyways, I'm hungry, so I'm gonna get some food. Okay, what were the conditions so far? Okay, corruption level 9.8%. Oh, that's not good. That's definitely not good. But still, all of these are not normal. What the hell did I just do? Oh,
Something's wrong.
I don't know, bruh. I don't know really. Anyways, we will come back when actually something is wrong. Other than that, that I just saw, yeah, we will check on it later.
Uh,
Okay,
but we'll find a
guys.
bit. We
After
can find a
like
damage from.
I don't know, like 5 days, yes, 5 minutes of this. Deer's hungry. Perseverance. Cultist waves are strong, which we don't know yet. And food rot spores. Our food disappeared.
You're telling me that.
Our food disappeared, but Hakim just told me the food disappeared. I was like, how did I could I just
I know.
silent, but I just see the food gone. Yo, now we not guys. This is gonna be tough. We go, man.
That's the funniest update ever. The food just disappeared. That's crazy.
Nah, here's the thing, bro. Before the food is gone, it's actually spores. So that means it's like spore, and you can still eat it, yet still take damage. It's just gone after another few seconds. Like damn. Oh, and every night, no, it's just a downgrade every time. Oh, I bet the hungry deer's coming for round 2, my bruh. Oh, we saw that hungry deer like day 3 of day 5, bruh. You will never see that. Yo, they weren't joking, bruh. They weren't joking when they said hard mode. And oh, I'm about to die from hunger, man. Anyways, I mean, the only ones that we can actually take is actually carrots and stuff. Oh shoot! Perverted, bruh. It's gone. Perseverance is gone. What? Jesus. Yo. Cultist waves extreme. Well, we basically did. Hopefully you get guys enjoy the next video. I don't think we're gonna survive for. We must get more prepared afterwards. Peace everybody. We're still gonna continue the game, but I don't know how long. probably gonna be like after this video is finished, then we say peace.
Yeah.